Hi, my name is Bill Neukomm, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the materials we use in the beginning drawing foundations class. So let's begin with the drawing board and the drawing paper. The drawing board will give you a firm surface to attach your paper to. Your pad of paper, you'll open it up, flip the cover around, you'll slide the pad up under these clamps on the drawing board. We'll put that up on an easel and that'll give you a nice firm drawing surface to draw on. Now next you're going to need some charcoal to draw with. So we usually start out with a willow or vine charcoal, which has a round section to it, and we'll take that and we'll sand it sharp on a sanding block, some sandpaper here, and we'll just sand that into a nice sharp shape, and we'll use that for our basic lay-in or block-in of our drawing. Soft charcoal works really fast, really easily, and if it gets, if you need to erase it, it's really simple to erase it back off again, which brings up our next tool, the Kneaded Eraser. And these are great. They come usually as a square, a rectangle, and all you do with these is you tear off a piece. It's lots of fun. You just pull it a few times until it softens up. Work it a little bit. And when it gets dirty, that's exactly what you do again, is you'll pull it apart and they're self-cleaning, which is great. And then when you actually want to erase with them, you can pinch them into different shapes. You can make sort of a knife wedge shape, which is great for erasing. You can spin it between your fingers and make it into a sharp point, more like a pencil. So these are a really useful, versatile tool for erasing your charcoal drawing when you need to make adjustments. Once you've put down a bunch of charcoal and in a large area and you want to smooth it out for something like a background, or you just want to even out the value you've made, that's where something like a fan brush comes in handy. So you'll use that to smooth out the charcoal, even it out. And then when you're working towards the finishing touches on your drawing, you'll want a little bit harder charcoal. So that's where we have the Nitram charcoal. Get this nice and sharp, and it puts down less charcoal with each mark. So when you're trying to get those really subtle value shifts, this is great for that. And then once you're finished with the drawing, you don't want it to all smudge and smear on you. So that's where you'll want to use the Workable Fixative. We'll spray the drawing at the end of the process. Keeps it from smearing too much. And then the last thing we have here is just some blue tape, some painter's or drawing tape. And that's just if you're working with a paper on your drawing board and maybe if it's flopping around on you and you need to hold it to the drawing board a little bit more firmly, or if you tear off a piece and just want a single piece instead of the entire pad, then the tape is here to attach the paper to your drawing board.